Let me show you all sound settings that we have available on OPPO Find X9. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, of course. In here, if you scroll down a little bit, we have sound and vibration. At the top, we can find the live caption option, which can be easily enabled and disabled and customized. And then we have the sound mode, whether you prefer to use the ring mode, vibrate mode, or silent mode. Besides that, if you use the ring mode, you can turn on or off the vibration when you have an incoming call. We can adjust the vibration intensity over here, and also we can turn off media sounds in silent mode. And besides that, we have the Do Not Disturb mode. Here we can find all settings related to D&D mode, and of course we can enable and disable D&D over here, for example. Then we have volume sliders, so you can adjust the volume for media sound, for ringtone, for notifications, and for alarm. We have the volume button function, so of course by default we use volume buttons in order to change the media volume, but you can also use it in order to change the ringtone volume instead. And we have the app specific volume as well, so you can adjust the volume for specific apps instead of for all of them at once. Then we have the choice of the ringtone, the notification sound, and then we also have more sounds. So we can find all system sounds in here, like the keypad, the dialing keypad of course, the lock screen sound, screenshot sound, and so on and so forth. Now we have some additional cool features, such as the clear voice that removes the background noise when you are on a call. We have sound effect settings where you can choose the media output, and also we can change the sound effects. In this case we have all reality and also some other stuff. Let me actually turn on my earbuds for a second just to show you. So we have all reality, spatial audio, and original sound over here. For all reality, we can also choose the profile that we want to use. And after that, we have the holo audio option, so we can feel like the sound is coming from different locations when playing multiple audio sources at the same time. And over here we can choose we can let the phone automatically choose the best spatial location for each audio source, or we can customize partial settings in here. Alright, and then we have haptics, so just system vibrations in general, which can be enabled or disabled. You can adjust the haptic intensity in here, and also we have more. And in here we should be able to, for example, choose which microphone we want to use when we are recording with the camera, whether the ringtone should be played from speakers, from loudspeakers, even if you use headphones, and also we have in-ear monitoring. And that's pretty much it. These are all sound and vibration settings that we have on OPPO Find X9. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.